Want to instantly transform your photos with a consistent style and supercharge your editing speed? Let's dive into applying presets in Adobe Photoshop. Presets are pre-saved sets of adjustments that you can apply to your images, saving time and creating a unified look. First, find and open your image in Photoshop, then locate the presets panel. If you don't see it, go to Window at the top and select Presets. Now, browse through the available presets. You'll find a variety of looks already built in. Clicking on a preset will immediately apply adjustments to your image. Observe how the image instantly changes. See the power of these presets. To fine-tune the effect, go to the Layers panel. You'll see a list of adjustment layers created by the preset. You can adjust the opacity of each layer to control the intensity of the effect. Experiment with different layer blending modes or individual layer adjustments to customize the look further. Not only can you use presets, you can also create them. Once you have adjusted your image to your liking and built a custom look, you can save these settings as a preset in your Presets panel. Choose any adjustments you made to your image in the Layers panel. Navigate to the Presets panel menu or go to File, Export Greater Than, and select the Export Selected Adjustment Layers menu and save. Give your preset a descriptive name so you can remember it later. To integrate your preserved workflow and bring them to other devices, you can save your presets in the cloud. This is helpful when you're working on multiple projects. You can always look at the Presets panel and see the folder structure. Applying presets streamlines your workflow and helps achieve a cohesive style throughout your projects. Now go forth and edit. Show us your amazing results using #PhotoshopTricks #image editing.